In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Opera GX on your MacBook step by step. Opera GX is a powerful browser designed with performance and customization in mind. It includes unique features like a RAM limiter, CPU control, and a sleek gaming-style interface that you won't find in most traditional browsers. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you already have installed. Next, go to the search bar and type Opera GX, then press Enter. From the search results, make sure you click on the official Opera website, which is opera.com/gx. It's always best to download software directly from the official website to avoid fake or potentially harmful files. Once the page loads, look for the button that says Download Opera GX. Click on that button. The download will begin immediately, and the file will usually appear as a zip file in your Downloads folder. Wait for the download to finish. Now open Finder and go to your Downloads folder. Locate the Opera GX zip file you just downloaded. Double-click the zip file to extract it. After the extraction is complete, you'll see a new file called Opera GX Installer. Now double-click Opera GX Installer. If Mac OS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to continue. A setup window will appear. Click Accept and Install. The installation process will take just a few moments. Once it's finished, Opera GX should launch automatically. If it doesn't open automatically, simply open Finder, go to the Applications folder, and launch Opera GX from there. And that's it. You have successfully installed Opera GX on your MacBook. You can now customize the browser's theme, adjust RAM and CPU limits, and explore all of the built-in features designed to improve performance and productivity. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.